Tip 1. Prioritize comfort. Seniors should ensure they prioritize their comfort when planning for a Diamond bus tour. This may include ensuring they have comfortable seating arrangements, enough legroom, and the ability to easily move around the bus. Seniors with specific needs or mobility issues should communicate their requirements to the bus company in advance to guarantee a smooth and enjoyable experience. Tip 2. Pack snacks and drinks. Ensure to carry some snacks and drinks, especially if the tour is lengthy. Although many tour services provide food and drink facilities, it's always a good idea to carry additional snacks or specific dietary items, as seniors might have particular eating habits or health restrictions. Carrying additional water is also recommended to stay hydrated during the trip. Tip 3. Bring essential medications. Seniors must ensure that they pack all the necessary medications that they might need during the trip. It is also advisable to keep a small first aid kit handy to deal with minor injuries or illnesses. Tip 4. Dress appropriately. Seniors should dress appropriately in comfortable clothing and footwear. Since weather can be unpredictable, layering clothes or carrying a light jacket could be beneficial. It's also important to consider the type of activities planned during the tour and dress accordingly. Tip 5. Verify accessibility. Depending on their physical capabilities, seniors should verify the bus's accessibility. Some buses might offer features like a wheelchair lift or handrails, which could be beneficial for seniors who have mobility issues. Hence, checking the bus's accessibility features is a necessary step before finalizing the tour. Tip 6. Keep important documents handy. Always carry all the necessary documents like ID, medical documents, or travel insurance details. Keeping them handy and secure helps address any unexpected situation smoothly. Tip 7. Book in advance. Bus tours often fill up quickly, especially during peak travel seasons. Hence, seniors are advised to book their trip well in advance to secure their desired seat and avoid any last-minute inconvenience. Tip 8. Check rest stops. Before finalizing the tour, make sure to check the rest stop frequency. Seniors commonly need to use restrooms more frequently, so knowing when and where the bus will stop can help in planning their meals and restroom breaks. Tip 9. Be mindful of pace. Seniors need to ensure they can keep up with the pace of the tour. Some tours can be fast-packed and exhaustive, so it's crucial to know the itinerary and understand if the pace suits their physical limitations. Tip 10. Choose a reputable company. Seniors should choose a reputable bus company that is known for their good service, safety measures, and comfortable buses. It is worthy to spend a bit more for a reputable company for a safer and worry-free tour experience. Tip 11. Use the buddy system. Traveling with a companion can not only make the trip more enjoyable, but also provide assistance if needed. Seniors should consider this buddy system during their tour to ensure they always have someone nearby should they require any help or simply for good company.